Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is pushing again above those last highs, but we haven't really seen an upside breakout yet. I want to start on the larger time frame first, then we can work our way to the smaller time frame. It's important with movements like these to consider the bigger picture, which still suggests strongly rising prices towards $1.72 plus overall in this third wave, which is probably now unfolding after we had a top in wave 1 and a low in wave 2. This could be the third wave to the upside, which in itself should be a 5-wave move up. And we've already seen waves 1 and 2, and the wave 3 is likely still unfolding. I thought about maybe the fourth wave is already unfolding, but it might be that the third is still extending a little bit before then the wave 4 starts probably a little later. But we'll talk about that on the 1 hour chart. Market is still showing strength. Important is, or something that made me think we're still in the third wave is we're back above the $1.04 level, and that is critical resistance, right? So that opens the door to 142, but we need to break above the swing high from, I think last week's high that is, at $1.14, $1.15, and we're still consolidating below it, but a break above it could send us quite directly to 142. I mean, that is quite amazing. The next move above could send us to 172 and then even 236. Not sure if we go there directly, but these are sort of the targets we discussed already. I mean, already a year ago, right? That ADA could get into this price region. So that shouldn't be in any way surprising. The only question is how deep is the pullback the market is offering now on the micro level. And it looks less likely right now based on current micro price action that the larger fourth wave has started. Someone asked me today in our member live stream if I think there could be another decent pullback before a final rally. And yeah, I think there could be 1 or 2 decent pullbacks before a final rally. And that would be here, circle 4. And then we can get one more high and maybe even another larger degree fourth wave. But I would not rely on that last 4-5 pattern. I would really not rely on it. So the next levels, as I said, 142, 172. It is not very clear if we're in the yellow scenario or the white one, but they both move together until we form a top here, right? So in the yellow count, this is just an A, B, C structure, possibly of a larger B wave, which would then lead to another low. But in the white scenario, we have 3 waves up then and could get another 4-5 pattern for a larger degree wave 1, which would be really bullish. And that would confirm further my larger degree wave count, which is bullish. But what I'm not quite sure about is if the larger wave 2 is already, if it's formed in June 23 and this forms another 1-2. So we have a 1-2, 1-2 setup, or if this is just a high B wave that's forming here, and then the larger wave 2 will sit somewhere here. But that will be decided soon enough, I think. All I want to share with you is that we haven't reached my upside targets yet. I think a pullback is due, but that would not be bearish. That would actually be quite healthy to let the market cool down a little bit. But it doesn't feel that euphoric yet. I think the market could still withstand a few more movements to the upside before we need a larger correction. But it's just already very extended, this internal third wave, which is why we're already tracking the potential of this wave 4. Support is between 60 cents and 84.7 cents. And again, it's not bearish. I highlighted to you that we're looking for higher prices, but below the 60-cent mark, this would be a first strong signal. A more substantial top has formed, rather that the rally is failing. Looking at the smaller time frame then, yeah, this is where I said, okay, possibly the third wave topped here, and this is possible. I mean, we have a 3-wave move down. Okay, that leaves the door open for higher, but it's a very choppy move up. It's certainly not impulsive, and that makes the interpretation of the microstructure difficult. But as I said to you in the previous video, you know that already, as long as we're holding above 92.4 cents, which is the lower boundary of the upper support area, we can give the bulls possibly the benefit of the doubt. It takes a break, in other words, below 92.4 cents to suggest that we're really moving down in this yellow C wave in the larger wave 4. ADA has had a few opportunities to really dip deeper, even into the upper support area that's located between 92.4 cents and $1.03, but ADA failed to do so. So that indicates it wants to grind higher, but I need a break above $1.14, $1.15 on a more sustained basis for a breakout signal into the direction of 142. So very interesting. I told members earlier today that I'm not sure if we get this touch into the support area. Yeah, I would like to see it just because it would provide actually a nice ABC structure. But if it just grinds higher, I have to call it that, you know, a shallow wave too. And then this would be quite bullish. It's a very weird wave count though. I mean, it's all possible, a leading diagonal in wave 1. We discussed that in the previous video, but is this all of wave 2? Again, the pullbacks are clearly, I mean, the concept of 3 waves, right? 3 waves are corrective. So this is clearly a 3-wave move down. This is clearly a 3-wave move down. And this might be a 5-wave move up. We don't have any 5-wave movements to the downside at the moment. So the door remains open for higher. So it's interesting price action. Just pay attention to that 115 level. Yeah, the intraday high. And then to the upside, I already mentioned to you what the next targets could be. Yeah, that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you are interested in the membership, you can check out the channel trailer, or you could say the membership trailer on our channel page. There's a link to our website next to it. As a member, you get access to member-only videos. Yesterday today I covered WorldCoin and Rune. There will be another member-only video that comes out today. You can access the live stream recording that happened today. So the live stream as a Discord member, if you join the Gold membership, you get access to a lot of Tradingview live charts. Over 50 coins are analyzed in these live charts. Additional updates, lots of educational content. Check it out if you're interested. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.